Hey everyone, Codex here. I hope you're doing fantastic. Today we'll be taking a look at Solana once again, just providing an update on what's happening so far, and we'll be discussing if we will be looking at another move down towards this $85 support. We've got some very important things showing up on the indicators, and so this video will help you understand what could happen next. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to check out our Patreon account where you'll get access to some custom charts, updates about the market, and you'll also be able to see what I hold as well as my average buy prices. So without too many introductions, in the last two Solana videos, I discussed how I expect a relief rally to happen, which was this move up before a big dump. And so far, we are still in the process of going down, and Solana is still down about 62% from its peak. Although we've got this decent news lately of OpenSea, including the Solana network for NFTs as a beta. And in my opinion, this is a very important step forward. NFTs have played a very important role in Solana's growth and they help push the price up this market cycle. But this news didn't really have any impact, and it seems like we are still heading towards the support level, which comes in between 80 and 90 bucks. Now, if we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending indicator, which is a momentum indicator on the 3 days time frame, we can see something very important showing up, which is the blue LSMA and red RSI falling down again, and that's a sign of weakness. Now, they aren't below the mid-yellow line yet, which means that the strong downward pressure isn't triggered yet on this time frame, but they could go down in a couple of days from now if the price action remains this way, and that would be very bad. Yes, we don't have too many data points with Solana, but this has happened 4 times throughout its history, and every time the blue LSMA and red RSI trended below the level of 50, we ended up crashing down. We've had it right here and the price dropped by about 66%. We've had the same thing happening here and Solana lost half of its value in just a month. We've had the same thing happening here and we went down by over 45% and also here. So you can really see how the blue LSMA and red RSI going down below this mid-yellow line is a bad sign. Look, I never say that they will drop or anything like it. I just say that they are going down, which means that it's very likely that they will go below this level. And I also say that based on what has happened in the past, this is a very bearish thing. I didn't come up with this or made it up. This is just me looking at what has happened in the last years, because in these times when the prices are going down, people just get way too sensitive about their holdings. Look, my opinion has been the same. I haven't changed yet since here. I'm still bearish and I believe that this was a relief phase. And I have said it and tweeted about it before it even happened. And look, when you have bearish signals like now, you can't force yourself to be bullish. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. I would honestly expect something like this where we breathe for a little bit and go slightly up before going lower. We could definitely see a rise up of about 10% or 15% by next week. It could happen. It's definitely possible. I mean, honestly, I don't know what could happen in an hour from now, but based on the momentum, things don't look that great. Trending higher also depends on going above the bull market support band, which is currently between 118 and 125 US dollars. We are about 20% shy from that mark, and so this is our first test if we want to see Solana rally again. If we go back in time to late 2020, we can see that as soon as we trended above the bull market support band, we went on this incredible rally, and the same thing happened in here, although we didn't really trend below it. I mean, we've just hit some wicks and that was about it. But as soon as we reclaimed our support, we just went on this rally. And so managing to trend above this level will be crucial. We have got rejected in here, which isn't a good sign. And we hope to see another test if we want to increase our odds of going up. There is also this talk that this move could just be another bearish phase and not a start of a bear market, because this isn't the first time we've had a big move down with Sol. And although that could be the case, we have to realize that this move has been going on for over 5 months now, which is way longer than what the downtrend in here and this downtrend too lasted for. So that was about it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts on Solana. I personally think that the OpenSea news will have its impact on the price in the future, but for now, the market isn't looking that great, which makes it harder for Sol to trend up high. That was about it. As I said, thanks again, have a nice day, and see you in the next video.